Yo, what's up everyone? This is CryptoBox. We create videos about blockchain games, NFTs, and more, so consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you don't miss bigger opportunities. So in today's video, we are going to be updating you on some crypto news, and as you can see, we're going to be talking about FTX and Bitcoin, because those are the two biggest news that crypto is seeing right now. If we were to check out Bitcoin right now, you will see that it is in absolute shambles. If you look in the last 7 days, it hit a really low point of 15k, and I'm pretty sure if you look at the 2-year graph, like you can see right here that in 2020 it was about 15k too. So like it's basically hitting it's hitting the all-time lows of 2 years, and obviously that's it's not the best thing, it's not a good thing for sure, but we're in a bull market. We've been in a bull market for a long time, so we are expecting these type of dumps. And yeah, if we look at FTX though, FTX is something completely different and something concerning, because FTX is a huge exchange, or was a huge exchange from just looking at it now. But basically, if you look right here, you can see that it's at $1.62. If you look right here, just look at this graph. If we look 5 days ago or 6 days ago, it was at $22, and now it is at $1.62. So you're losing a lot of money if you were invested into the FTX token, or FTT, which is very unfortunate. The market cap is so low now compared to when it was 20x of that. So basically at like around 3 to 4 billion market cap. Now it's at 200 million. So it's really bad. And if we just scrolled a little down, we can see that it's an absolute shambles. If we look right here, this is some news on it. Basically, Bitcoin plummets to a fresh 2-year low as crypto markets reel. And it seems like also another news is that Meta cuts 11,000 jobs, and obviously that is a lot of people, a lot of jobs. So maybe it's a good thing, maybe it's not. We'll see what happens with Meta. But also, what exactly happened to FTX this week? Because some people just think that it just went down and that's it. Like it just went down for no reason. Obviously, that's not the case. If you look right here on Wednesday, which is when it happened, basically, it claimed that the balance sheet of Alameda, a crypto hedge fund owned by the FTX owner Sam Bankman, that's the person that owns FTX and created it, held billions of dollars worth of FTX owned cryptocurrency FTT, which is just the token itself, and had been using it as collateral in further loans. And if you look right here, if this were the case, then a fall in FTT value could damage both businesses, so FTX and Alameda, given their shared ownership. If you look right here, the slow burn crisis was kicked into high gear on Sunday when Binance chief executive, so the CEO, tweeted that his company was selling its FTT holdings, which was worth $500 million, which is a lot of money. Recent revelations that have come to light, and from then on, obviously, it just went all bad, because $500 million is a lot of the liquidity. It's an insane amount of money, and for them to sell $500 million is obviously a crazy amount. And then the value of FTT collapsed, and FTX customers started withdrawing funds in a bank-run style exodus. In a message to the staff this week, cited by Reuters, Bankman Fried, so basically the CEO, I'm just going to say the CEO, said the firm suffered a giant withdrawal surge as users rushed to take out $6 billion. So $6 billion. So basically, if we were just gonna say this, $6.5 billion, $6 billion from just the FTX exchange where their liquidity is held, and then another $500 million just from their token itself, and who knows what else from the token were trying to be withdrawn and sold and all that in crypto tokens from FTX over a 3-day period. So in just 3 days, they were trying to sell over $6 billion and then daily withdrawals normally run to tens of millions of dollars, and withdrawals started, like getting blocked or paused, obviously, because they didn't have enough liquidity to supply that. And yeah, that's basically what exactly happened to it. So Binance just pulled out of the FTT token, sold 500 million, caused a huge downfall, and people saw this as a bad because of the deal. And after that, they started selling and withdrawing from their platform. And if you look right here to the FTX platform, we can see that FTX is currently unable to process withdrawals because it's pretty obvious they have really low funds to fund all that withdrawals, and depositing is basically disabled for a lot of the tokens. And yeah, that's why I will say that stay away from FTX. Honestly, just use Binance, KuCoin, any of those. Those work perfectly fine. Bitfinex, all these different like markets where you can trade your coins, or like exchanges. They work perfectly fine. FTX was saw as like a pretty normal exchange, but honestly, if you were to look at some of its red flags, you would understand. It's really hard to point it out, so I wouldn't say this is your fault if you were in the part of the loss of the FTT token and FTX, because I will not blame this on anyone that was invested or had their money in their exchange. But honestly, it was a pretty good platform. I don't know, how this happened so fast, but that it has its explanation. So yeah, that's FTX and the update on it. This is a pretty short video, and this will come out a little later because I'm actually recording this on Sunday, November 13th, as you can see right here, and this is gonna come out on Tuesday to follow my schedule of uploads. But some people still may need to learn a little more, and I will link this down below because this has a lot of information on what's going on with FTX, what's gonna happen with FTX, and etc. So yeah, hopefully you appreciate this video and learn something new. You can also join our Twitter and Discord server to be a part of our like-minded community, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.